Thank you for being here, everyone. Really appreciate it. And we're excited to have the town of Madison, at least this part of the town of Madison, coming to Fitchburg. It's been a long time coming. It's been over 20 years, well, just about 20 years now since they did this agreement, and a lot of great things in what we're getting here. A lot of great businesses, a lot of great residences. So we're very excited about that. This was almost 20 years ago that this agreement was signed. And so it's been a long time coming. We've worked really hard the last few years to plan for this, make sure that we have the resources available so we can come in and provide all of you with the great resources we're providing with all of our residents right now. So we're very excited about this.
As you can see from the slide, there are about 190 full-time employees in the City of Fitchburg. We are all ready and willing to help welcome all of our business owners, residents, and other property owners into the City of Fitchburg. We take pride in providing a high level of quality customer service from our Economic Development Department to our Highway Department to our Public Safety Department, Finance, Assessing, Parks, Rec, take your pick. We have a really good team here in Fitchburg. Many of our employees and department heads are here tonight, so feel free to mingle with them. Senior Center is also one of those departments, as is our Fact TV. I'm getting some looks about giving some additional love to other departments, so I'll try to acknowledge those requests. So
really just consider the chamber a resource. We welcome you guys to Fitchburg. Obviously, most importantly, we want you to feel connected, and so we'll be making sure that you are connected. Some of the programs that you may be interested, for example, we're hosting a Fitchburg Focus Lunch in the fall, where we do a real in-depth economic development update, all the different developments and activity that goes on in the city. So if you're interested in that, that's always really a lot of valuable information. We consider ourselves partners with Mike and Joyce, the Fitchburg Economic Development Department. The Chamber is also the city's tourism entity. So in addition to the business development programs that we do, we have a visitor center and provide marketing and branding, promotion, and community asset.
But I'm Mike Zimmerman. I'm the Economic Development Director for the City of Fitchburg, and I've got my colleague, Joyce Fry, Economic Development Department for the City of Fitchburg, and we're your liaison to city departments. Joyce and I also staff the Fitchburg Community and Economic Development Authority, and for some of the small businesses that are out there today, we have a local revolving loan fund program that's available to our businesses. We also are part of the venture debt program through the Madison Development Corporation. We administer the hotel room tax with our partners, the Fitchburg Chamber of Commerce Visitor Business Bureau. And we also utilize the local economic development tool that you might be familiar with, tax increment finance. And one of the things that we're talking about is in about a year or so coming back into this area and creating a brand new tax increment district to be a local economic development tool to continue to drive economic development in this area. So welcome to the City of Fitchburg. We're excited to have you as part of our Fitchburg business community. But thanks again for coming out tonight. Thanks to Delta Beer Lab for hosting us, and thanks to our partner at the Fitchburg Chamber as well.